Hello. Today we will see the sum on application of a trigonometry. So while landing at an airport, a pilot made an angle of depression 20 degree. So while landing, which angle of depression a pilot made? Angle of depression of 20 degree while landing. Average speed of the plane was 200 km per hour. Speed of the plane was 200 km per hour. Plane reached the ground in 54 seconds. So time it took to reach the ground is 54 seconds. Find the height at which plane was when it started landing. So you need to find out the height at which the plane was when it started the landing. Height you know, then the height means 90 degrees with the ground. So just name this. I will just name this figure. So in this I will define each point in here over here. So let A, what is this point A? Be the position of the plane above the ground. A is the position of the plane above the ground. B be the landing point of the plane on the ground. AC be the height of the plane from the ground. And you know angle DAB is nothing but angle of depression. So define angle DAB is angle of depression. Okay. So you know this value DEB is nothing but 20 degree. So this angle is equal to this angle. These two angles are forming alternate angles with this transversal EB. So you look at the figure, you can find out these are alternate angles. So I will write it as angle DAB is equal to angle ABC is equal to 20 degree. What is the reason? Alternate angles theorem. Okay. Now you got the values. What you need to find out? You need to find out height AC. So directly they have not given us distance between AB. They have given distance in terms of speed and time. So using this value of speed and time, you can derive the formula. You can find out the value for this distance AB. How you will find? First of all, speed you know 200 km per hour and time you know 54 seconds. So look at the unit. Here unit is kilometer per hour and here unit is second. So either you can convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second or convert this second into hours. You should know, you should have the same value to use it in the speed distance time formula. So I will just convert 200 km per hour into meter per second. To convert kilometer into meter, I will multiply it by 1000. And to convert hour into seconds, multiply it by 60 into 60. Okay. So unit will become meter per second with this formula. So here I will just derive this, find out this value. 1 3 is a 3 is a 500 is a, here it will be 500 upon 9 meter per second. So you know the basic formula for speed. Speed is equal to distance upon time. So using this formula you can find out the value of distance. Distance will be nothing but speed into time. Distance will be, time will get multiplied with the speed and you will get a formula for distance using the formula speed distance time formula. So distance will be equal to distance AB. Now here distance AB will be equal to speed into time. Speed is 500 upon 9 meter per second. Time is 54 seconds. 9 ones are 9 6 are 3000, 5 6 are 30, 3000 meter. Now here look at this, we have already converted kilometer into meter. So distance EB we got in meter. So you got the distance AB as 3000 meter. I will write it down. So you have the value for this distance AB. Now you have the value for this distance AB, 3000 meter. You need to find out value of AC, height at which plane started landing. So to find out value of EC, you should use any of the formula for sine, cos or tan. You need to choose any of the formula from this. But I will choose sine. Why I choose sine? Because sine formula is nothing but opposite upon hypotenuse. So here sine 20 value is already given with us. This value is 20 degree. So sine 20 you are already with us. Hypotenuse is already given and this quantity unknown. So using these two known quantities, you can find out the height of AC. So I will use sine formula. Sine of angle ABC is equal to AC opposite side upon hypotenuse AB by definition. So sine ABC is nothing but sine 20. Sine 20 is equal to AC, you don't know the value of AC, upon 3000. So AC value will become, multiply this two, sine 20 is 0.342 into 3000, which is nothing but 3 zeros, 3 twos are 6, 3 fours are 12, 3 threes are 9 and 10, and decimal point after 3 values, because here decimal point after 3 numbers, so you will give decimal point after 3 numbers, which is nothing but 1026 meter. Okay, so 3000 is in meter, so 1026 is also in meter. So you got the distance height AC as 1026 meter. So what they have asked, find the height at which plane started landing. So at the height of, you will write it like this, at the height of 1026 meter, plane started its landing. So box this value, give therefore and underline this. Thank you.